Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a look at helium mining and the state of it, May 2021. I know this is a very hot topic. A lot of people are interested in helium mining, myself included. I want to talk to you guys about, what the best miner to buy is if you guys are still interested and haven't bought one yet. Then we're going to talk about, the time it takes to actually get to you. There's a huge delay in orders, and then the overall growth of the market and the projection of helium itself, the coin. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to have this linked in the description below. As always, this is the helium coverage map. It'll tell you how many hotspots are online right now, 32,131 as I'm recording this. And I would say about 2-3 weeks ago, this number was about 25,000. So it is very rapidly growing. One of the main things that's holding it back is just the delay in orders and manufacturing, and the COVID has slowed down the whole supply chain across the board. So as you guys can see, it's mostly populated in cities. And let's just go. I'm gonna go to a random place. I'm gonna go to Florida here. I don't live in Florida, but let's say I have I live like right here, and I buy a helium miner, and I am like, but there's no one around me. So if you guys don't know how helium mining works, it is a proof of coverage system. So let's go down to here. If you see how close these miners are, 1, 2, 3, they all offer proof of coverage. So they basically see each other, they make the confirmation with each other, and then you guys get rewarded for proving that you're covering an area. It's a different type of mining, and it takes about $1 electricity a month, which is just crazy. I don't know where I was up in here, so I'll just pick a different location. But let's say I have one here, I have one here. You could be reaping in rewards. But you might be looking at this area and say, oh, I live here, I'm going to buy one, but there's no one else around me. Well, this is where it gets interesting. So if I go onto this email that I got, because I'm on the Helium newsletter, it talks about, Helium, it has 28,000 hotspots live, and this was 8 days ago. So they've already gone up to 32. They've got 4,000 miners that people have gotten delivered and set up. Over 200,000 plus hotspots are on back order. So you look at this number now, 32,000, 200,000 are going to be delivered by the end of 2021. And that's their projection for all these companies. That's insane. If I go on on CoinMarketCap, I'll have this in the description below. First off, Dogecoin 66 cents. I don't even understand what's happening. But if I search up HNT, that's their ticker. $17.68. You can see it kind of had a peak because a lot of people were finding out about it, and now it's kind of gone down. It's going up, but the trend overall, I mean, this coin is going to potentially 10x with the amount of hotspots that are on back order. If they go up, you're going to be looking at a coverage map here with the whole United States basically covered, and that's not an exaggeration. I mean, there's going to be areas like in what, I don't know what state that is. We got like North Dakota, okay, South Dakota. There's not a whole lot of houses here, so you're gonna have some dead spots, but this is gonna open up the entire country for this helium coverage network, and you're gonna be seeing a lot of people start to use this, and it's gonna be a main competitor with companies like Verizon and AT&T and stuff like that, which is just incredible. So if you guys don't know what helium is, like, I highly recommend you guys check out their website. They're doing a lot of great things. I'm going to get to the hotspots in a second, but I believe at the bottom of here it tells you who they are involved with. They're involved with, come on. They're involved with a whole bunch of companies here. You guys can see asset tracking, building and asset monitoring. They partnered with One Planet Network to educate 40 plus schools around the globe about the Internet of Things, which is just, it's crazy. They got a whole bunch of partners here. Lone Star, I don't know if you guys know what Lone Star is. It's a huge company. They're using it to track vehicles and assets. Google invested in this company back in 2016, I believe. They put a couple $1,000,000 into it. So this isn't just like a random company. I'm sure you guys already know what Helium is. You clicked on this video. I just wanted to, show the people that don't know about it what it's all about. So if you go to the Helium store, I'll have this in the description below. You guys are probably wondering, what miner should I buy now? Because there's a lot of people that are buying these. It's all over social media. It's all over TikTok. And if it's on TikTok, a lot of people are just going to impulse buy because, the FOMO, the fear of missing out. They don't want to miss out on an opportunity. Let me tell you guys something. If I go on eBay.com and search Helium Miner and go to sold, they're selling for, this one sold for $8,200 because it's on hand. People are spending a boatload of money, and people aren't just spending money because they want to jump on it. They believe in this, and they think this is going to be a very, very profitable device. They're spending so much money. You can see this. People are buying the pre-orders for more than the pre-order price. Like, look at this. This is coming in September. Someone bought it on eBay instead of going on the Nebra store and buying it. US $9.15. 300 euros. Wow, it's sold out. That would explain that. I never think the Nebra one was going to sell out, but they usually... Wow, this is new to me. Well, that would explain that one. But they're selling a lot of the pre-orders here. You got the Bobcat one, pre-order, July delivery. Like, I just ordered it, and it's coming in July. June, July. I bought it for $400. I could turn around and sell it right now, which is just crazy. People are spending insane amount of money on pre-orders. So now that it looks like Nebra is out of stock, I'm not going to recommend that one. But if it ever does come back in stock, this is the place to get it. This is a huge, you can put your email in here, and when they get back in stock, you guys can place an order. But basically what's happening is they're back ordered. You're ordering, if you order from February 9th to February 2021, shipping update will be posted. They're already falling behind here. It's supposed to be shipped in April. Now it's May, and it doesn't look like they have been posted. Let's see if they posted anything. Shortly after batch 1. So they don't have an update out for this one, which is, kind of a big deal because, I bought one of these. I bought the one April 4th, and it looks like, or batch 4, it looks like I'm probably not going to get it in June because of how many people have ordered. But if I go back to the Helium store, the rack one, this is another one. I believe they're just swamped with orders. I don't think you guys have a chance of getting one of these before September, October. If you really want to get one, I would recommend, I have the rack, the Nebra, and the Bobcat on order. I haven't bought the Syncrobit one, but this one also seems like it's going to be difficult to buy. They're increasing the prices like crazy. Pre-order, it looks like all orders paid by April 9th are projected to ship in May. Well, that's good if I ordered it in April, but I didn't, so I'm going to be stuck after. Wow. So if you order it after April 20th, it's going to be projected to ship by mid-September. This is what I was talking about. It's going to be very difficult to get these machines, and if they're as profitable as I am personally predicting, it's going to be so worth it. That's why people are spending, $8,200 because they want it now to mine this helium because they're going to reap rewards once this stuff 10x's, hopefully. So the Bobcat miner is probably your best bet. This is what I would recommend. You click order now. This is a little bit more complicated than the normal ones because the normal ones you can pay with PayPal. When I click buy it now, it's going to ask, I have read, blah, blah, blah. Enter all my information here. You have to pay with something called Muggle Pay. I don't know if you guys know what Muggle Pay is, but basically you have to pay with cryptocurrency. You have to pay with USDC coin. I believe you can also pay with USDT, but You have to send it to this address that they give you, and then you have an hour to pay it to get that price. So that's one of the things that deters a lot of normal people from being able to buy it. That's why if you go on eBay, you can see, I mean, this Bobcat one is for $1,000. It's not as simple to order the Bobcat one. So with this one was also in hand, it looks like. But basically what I'm trying to say, if you want to buy Helium Miner, I think as of right now, May 5th is when I'm recording this, I think the Bobcat one is your best chance. These are the 5 that are listed on their website. I'm not sure if there's any other ones available at this time. If there are, I will make another video talking about it. But I mean, look at this. Look at this. It started, you know, the crypto bull run started, you know, February, and this coin has just, it's already gone up 4 times its price from February, and I think it's going to go up a lot more. Now, if you guys can't get your hands on one of these, it's not the end of the world. You can also buy the coin on places like Binance US, if you guys have Binance US. If you also just have Binance, if you're international, you can buy it there. Hotbit is also an international platform that can be used in the US. You guys can buy it on there if you want. So it's not the end of the world if you can't get your hands on one of these. I just want to make it very clear that you guys, you know, you can still participate in this this whole helium hotspot mining industry. Helium in itself, it's just awesome. If you guys haven't looked at this website, I really recommend looking at it. I will leave this in the description below. There's so many cool things that this company is doing that it's just like they're comparing themselves to AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile. I think they're going to be a serious competitor in the future, and I mean, only time will tell. But that is all I have for this video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.